to Fiddlesticks and Stitches. I'm Fiddle. Today's project is Part 4, the stringing. The list of materials for every video will be posted on Patreon. The link is in the description. Okay, to start off today, we need to do a little bit of prep work. You need to make an eye hook in the end of your wire. I found it easier to start with the head first. So the first thing you want to do is poke your wire through the bead hole for your head, and then stick the elastic through the hole, and then pull the wire through. After doing that, set the head aside and grab the body. We're going to take our wire hook and we're going to snake it through from the armhole to the head hole. Put the elastic through the eye hole at the neck and pull it through. While you are doing this, keep in mind to make sure your head is facing the right direction, otherwise your head may be on backwards. Taking our bit of wire through the other arm and back up to the neck, you're going to do the exact same thing for the other side. To tighten your head down, grab a hold of the strings coming through the arms and pull and flip the head with your first finger. To attach the arms, put the arm on first, then you're going to take your tiny buttons and string through both holes, and then lead back through the arm into the body. To tighten down your arms, pull on the end of your elastic and flick at the button. Repeat the process for the other arm. The legs we're going to do a bit differently. We're actually going to start by adding the button on the line first, going through one hole and then back through the other, followed by the leg. Make sure that your button is on the outside thigh of the leg and not the inner thigh dip. String through the hip hole and attach the leg on the other side just the same. At the intersection of each joint, put a little piece of tape, and that would be what holds her together. And now we have a fully completed doll. The next thing we're going to be doing is actually making an outfit. If you liked what you've seen, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. It helps me out a lot. See you the next time.